Mustang coupe. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm a huge Aston Martin fan. I haven't really talked about that. I've talked about Corvettes, my liking of the 1969 Camaro. And here's a whole bunch of beautiful, beautiful white. And you know me, I love white on cars. Just shows off the bodies. Obviously they agree. Look at that, man. Amazing. That's a lot of money right there. All right, I found the next MustangMedic truck. Is she beautiful or what? Let's check it out. Oh, don't worry about it. You look better than the truck. Look at that. I'm visualizing MustangMedic logos all over it. The F250. I like it. Look at the springs, man. It sits up pretty high. It's got to be a four-wheel drive version. I guess they're all four-wheel drive, aren't they? Oh, yeah. Hello. Little step. I put a liner in it. Man, isn't that gorgeous? Running boards. Dashboard. Person. And there's the truck. That's good, thank you. There you go. I want one. I want one. And this is the inside of the F250 2019 Super Duty. I like it. I like it a lot. It's got a huge center console. Excuse the tripod. There it is. Huge center console. I'm being gentle. It's a brand new truck. And there's the controls. Eh? Doesn't it just make sense? I think so. I want one. I want an F250 diesel someday. Excuse me? Is it the truck of the year? You want to tell the viewers that?
Wow.
What is it? The truck of the year?
Yeah, the truck of
the Dodge Ram?
Yeah.
It's not the Ford F250?
No.
No?
It's the Ram.
He's a Ram guy. Thank you. All right, so it's only fair because I've showed Ford trucks. I haven't seen a Chevy truck yet. I'll show it if I show it. But here is the 2019 Dodge Ram. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about it. Just do your thing. Go ahead. Just ignore me. There's the Dodge Ram right there. Some people coming and going, getting in, checking it out. It's a good-looking truck. Excuse me, reflection. But 2019 Dodge Ram. Laramie 4x4. Don't worry, guys. The Steadicam is going to be here someday. Let's check out the dash. There's the dash. Good. Nice rims. 1500 Hemi. 5.7 liter.